there are 4 parameters of menstrual cycle. The first is regularity. साइकिल आपकी रेगुलर कितने दिन में आ रही है. नॉर्मल जो साइकिल है 24 से 38 डेज की पीरियड में आ जानी चाहिए. सपोज़ आपके पीरियड फर्स्ट को आए हैं तो आपके पीरियड की साइकिल 24 से पहले नहीं होनी चाहिए और 38 डेज यानी 31 प्लस 1 वीक और निकाल लो कि आपके पीरियड्स बिफोर 7th February आ जाने चाहिए. सो दैट इज़ अ नॉर्मल रेगुलर cycle. That is a frequency of the cycle is 24 to 38 day, which is considered to be completely normal. Now we come to regularity of the cycle. So we consider regularity of the cycle from the first day of the period till the first day of the next period. So suppose you have got your period on 1st of January, the next period comes on 2nd of February. So you have a 33 days cycle, that is considered to be 33. The duration is 33 days then. So this is also regular because we consider it's a normal parameter to come between 24 to 38 days period. Then we come to the duration or of the period. It should be not exceeding 8 days. It should be between 1 to 5 days. And the volume of menstrual blood, it is very subjective. If normally we say around 80 ml of blood is released in every cycle. If the bleeding is such that it interferes with your social, emotional, physical activity, then it is a concern and you should meet the doctor. Now I will discuss about the ovulation period and what is safe and unsafe period. So suppose you get your cycle, you started your periods on 1st of January. Now if you have a 30-day cycle, you get your next cycle on 30th of January. So the first 10 days from 1st January to 10th of January we say is a safe period. If you have had an unprotected sex between 1st to 10th of the month, that is a safe period. Even if you have had an unprotected sex during the periods, a person is having a periods and you have had an unprotected sex, she will not become pregnant at that time. Although we can test for pregnancy once you have missed the period. Now we come to if an unprotected sex has occurred between 10th to 20th day of the cycle. Now to test for a pregnancy test, the easiest method is to do a urine pregnancy test. That can become positive on the 33rd day of the period. So if that lady is supposed to get her periods by 30th, she has not got her periods, we add 3 days up. So 31st January, 1st, 2nd February, she can do a urine pregnancy test which will confirm her pregnancy.